Because that'll be, you know, if you ride a bike with just fire tires, that'll be
Fire tires.
Not
That's
on the seat,
dude.
man.
That's what you want to be.
No one's getting on the bike.
Dude, somebody has to ride the bike down. Dude.
Oh my god, that's so big.
That is fucking cool.
Jump on that. Dude, ride that. Ride that.
Oh, that was lame.
Oh!
Going.
That is going!
Where's he going? Where's he going?
Can Jam! Can Jam!
It's like Back to the Future.
Oh my god.
Like,
That guy had the best idea of the night. Get rid of the... get that away.
done.
Wow, that was great.
Alright, do it one more time. One more.
Miss, no fires.
It's alright, we're in the open. We're good.
We are, we're good, we're good.
Yeah,
We're only drinking.
There's like trees everywhere.
Yeah,
and
we're good, we're good. It's been a rainy season around here.
plexiglass.
Everything's saturated.
You can't really tell.
Yeah, that was a
Ride
ghost
bike
ride.
again, but
Ghost
whatever.
ride. Good thing.
I wish it was lit more though.
Isn't it your bike?
Doing that?
Yeah.
So the fumes coming off of it later, you can just blame on the gas, not you.
It's gonna ride anyway.
Yeah, let's take the thing off.
Ow!